Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to increase Wi-Fi range. First, let's talk about optimal router placement. For the best signal, position your router centrally in your home, not tucked away in a corner. Elevate it off the floor, perhaps on a high shelf or desk, to minimize signal absorption. Remember to keep it clear of large metal objects, thick walls, and other electronics that can interfere with its signal, ensuring a stronger connection throughout your space. Next, let's optimize your router's settings. Regularly updating your router's firmware is crucial for security and performance enhancements. You can also improve your signal by changing your Wi-Fi channel to one less congested by neighbors, like channels 1, 6, or 11. For faster speeds, especially for devices closer to the router, switch to the 5 GHz band. Some routers even allow you to adjust transmit power for a stronger signal. If placement and settings aren't enough, consider hardware solutions. A Wi-Fi extender can significantly boost your signal into dead zones, effectively doubling your coverage area. For larger homes, a mesh Wi-Fi system offers seamless, whole-home coverage with multiple access points. When using an extender, place it about halfway between your router and the area needing better signal. Always ensure compatibility for optimal performance. Finally, let's talk about minimizing interference and maximizing hardware. You can often upgrade your router's antennas to higher gain models, which can extend your signal by several feet. Be mindful of other electronics like microwaves or cordless phones, as they can cause electromagnetic interference. Secure your network with a strong, unique password to prevent unauthorized access. A simple reboot of your router every few weeks can also refresh its performance and improve stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.